Welcome back to the channel today. Today we've got in some help.
What's that?
The big man from Kwik Tech.
Oh, don't be filming me now, right?
Got a busy day on today. Full service on this transporter. Got another service on some Citroen I went to last week. And another couple of services. Day of servicing, nice and easy, and some brakes. That's the fuel filter done. Size of that thing. Air filter's done. We'll just show you some of the old parts and the state that they're in. So this one was definitely well overdue. And in this fuel filter, air filter, get your words right, oil filter, you can see it's just sucked in way too much dirty oil. Started collapsing on itself. Got the main man over here getting the pollen filter done. How you getting on with that pollen filter, mate?
Put it in the right way finally.
Yeah. What a ball ache. Just doing a bit of diag on the engine light. Got a few faults in there. Right, that's the service done on the crafter. Had a fault in there as well with, what was it, James?
The
Heater, secondary pump, locked, it came up with. So got to come back another time for that. Now we're just going to move on to another job. We got another service around the corner. I did buy this for this job in particular because there's been rats and or mice drop-ins and wee everywhere. So I didn't really want to take the under tray off because it was just covered, absolutely covered in mouse drop-ins. So I got a sucker, but we've just used it on the other crafter here because he said the engine oil was too low, but in fact it's just oil light warning for the service was on. So yeah, I probably got to get another one of those. It's not the best. So my mate James, who's helping me out today, he's a mobile mechanic, he's got one on his van. We're just gonna go and get that. Gonna go get his one and another oil drain pan because we've got two services at the same address. Keep looking over here because the camera's over here on this front view. But yeah, that's that one done. On to the next one. We're in the cave for the next job. Getting the oil pumped out because we was here last week doing springs and there was just, you can't smell it, but rat poo and wee, and down there on the under tray, try and zoom in, there's just rat drop-ins everywhere. So yeah, Stuart Little's. So we're not getting that under tray off. Full service on this as well. Air filters back there, fuel filter, pollen filter, everything's crammed in on these, but doing a job. Another well overdue air filter. State of that. Such a poor design as well. Like back there, we've taken this top cover off. Got to get that off to get the fuel filter off anyway. Fuel filter done, but also whilst we was here, James actually noticed that there was a lot of oil that come out of this pipe here. Where was it? One of the ones we took off anyway. And there's a lot of oil in the turbo. If I just show you, you might not be able to see it, but there's a bit of movement in that. So we'd advise the customer, probably going to advise the customer just to get rid of this car, to be honest. There's also down the bottom here, there's some wiring that's been chewed up, and there's a few faults in the system as well, so yeah, not the best. And again, more French madness. We've got the pollen filter buried up there. Look, can you see that? Right behind the steering column there. Absolute madness. Don't make anything easy, do they, mate?
No. Considering it's saying it even on the...
Good job I've got the old pollen filter specialist with me, though.
Pollen filter. King. Where are we off to now, Aaron?
We are just off to Cheshire for 2 services at the same address. Just oil changes or interim services with pollen filters. Yeah, it's just good to have James out for the day. Quite lonely.
Pollen filter king.
Yeah.
We'll keep that
Do you
one to
want to
ourselves.
explain that one?
No,
to
we're
everyone,
good.
James?
We're good.
Yeah, it's just good to have, you know, a bit of camaraderie through the day, because it's a bit lonely out on your own.
Someone to make a mess in your van.
Yeah, that's it.
That's alright.
Get those under, because we got to keep clean.
That's it.
Oil and pollen filters on these. Handy to have them both at the same address. Just warming them up at a minute. Get the mats down. Just don't want to ruin their lovely driveway. Sign up to my spicy side. 10% off.
What's the
YouTube.
subscription free? Is there a special deal going?
Oh yeah.
There we go. There's the man working hard. Or hardly working. It's got me repping him today. Getting me working.
Here you go, mate. Got a nice pollen filter.
Oh, does it come with instructions? Call me the PK, mate, the pollen king.
Nice. Look at that golden. Nice shell oil. Only the best here at
When you
Curbside.
top up the oil, just make sure the sun plug's in there.
Yeah,
That's the golden rule.
so James's muscles were too small to get the oil filter off on the Yaris, so he said the big man in. And
Cruiser.
and then I told him to put oil in the Polo, but I hadn't put the sun plug back in. So it went straight into the drain pan. Eating up my profits.
So that's both services done. And Aaron's just speaking with his customer.
Oh, there he is. The main man. Kwik Tech.
Where are we off to now?
We are off to dump some oil, seeing as we're in the area of my mate's garage, and all of my oil drainers are currently a bit filled up, so got some time, might as well go do that.
Do you reckon you can get that oil off your face at your mates as well?
Oh, what, my little Hitler moustache. This is what we're all about. Out with your mate all day.
That's it, man. That's it.
Just trying to be like Marvellous.
He's got his apprentice out with him.
Got the pollen tech.
It's alright, some bloke. Is it padlock?
Nah. There we go, responsibly draining our oil, getting rid of waste. Not just down a drain somewhere.
Surely not.
And we've got probably 20, 40, 60, 70, 80 litres. 80 litres to get rid of. Builds up quick.
Responsible waste.
That was there beforehand.
That looks fresh. Keep the van tidy, yeah?
That's it, mate.
Yeah.
No tidying up at the end of the day, just tidy up as you go. I've always been like that.
Yeah, of course you have.
Not messy guy, me.
And then you let me move in for a day and look all my rubbish.
Oh.
Everywhere. Everywhere. What have you found on this one, Aaron?
Yeah, so we've got a bit of a noise on this one. And if you put the camera around here, you can see the pads have got plenty of life left in them. But one, I think the pads have been fitted incorrectly, wrong-sided. And also you've got the spring clips missing here, and this has been rubbing up against the caliper. So if you go around the other side, you can see these pads have these spring clips on them.
Yeah, I can see those.
So yeah, that's probably causing noise, and it's a bit of a groove in the disc. Hopefully they're not warped, but I think we're going to change the pads out, and that should stop the noise and fit them properly.
So how are you cleaning that up?
Huh?
How are you cleaning that up?
Well, I just got a little file, filing down all this rust on both edges.
Nice.
And then we're going to grease up the clips, new pads in, grease up the sliders.
What's that there? Copper grease?
No, we don't use copper grease around here.
Oh.
Ceratec.
Ceratec, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not old school, are you, mate? Nah. You're not a true old school mechanic, mate. Eh?
New school.
Yeah, mate. So that's a full day done with curbside. My master, who showed me the ways of mobile mechanicking, taught me everything I know, even how to be handsome.
That's it, all done for the
I
day.
mean, he might have put a pollen filter in for me, but I showed him how to put brake clips in, so we're even.
What a day, mate.
What a day. Well done.
Been a good one.
Well done, bruv.
Home time.
Home time, let's go.
Hey, Jimmy.
Yeah.
So, what do my subscribers need to do?
Subscribe.
Comment. And like.
Comment and like.
Yeah, boy. It's a good day out, wasn't it?
It was good, mate. It was very good. Yeah. That was good.
That was a good day.
Yeah, it was
good day to be out, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We'll do maybe one a month of these. We'll maybe
come to my area.
yeah, do this patch.
Yeah.
And then
we'll just have loads of diag and rubbish.
Yeah,
and,
just rubbish jobs, and then
Just
come to High Wycombe for the servicing.
That's it.